Bonjour! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Flappy Bird in Scratch. If you don't know what Flappy Bird is, a Flappy Bird is a game made by China. It's a game where you're a bird and you need to help the bird dodge the pipes by press the button. It sounds so simple, but it's really fun to play. So I'm gonna teach you how to make one in Scratch. So let's get started. So go to create button and press create. Then go to file, then new. Now it's time to make our Flappy Bird. You can keep the scratch cat. I will choose and use. I'll paint a sprite. Okay. Now I will make a bird by just making a circle. You can just download the Flappy Bird. I'll make a Flappy Bird like this. And I'm gonna make it a little orange. And I'll make it over here. This is the wing for the bird. And I will make the eye. Now all we need to do, I'm gonna make it orange. Now I could delete this and make a Flappy Bird beak. You can just customize any Flappy Bird. Okay. Now we need to group it. I'll name that Flappy Bird. Now I'll go to the codes, and you can put any position of your Flappy Bird you want, or you can change the size. I'll maybe use 200. Okay, now looks better. Now use when green flag clicked. Go to X and Y's. Make a new variable. Make a new variable called gravity. Name it gravity and use it for this sprite only. Onto the gravity, I'm gonna use set gravity to 0 and put in forever, and I'm gonna use change gravity by -1. On the motion, just drag change Y by and use gravity. Now let's check. No, I got working gravity. So make it. So put on. Make another one. Make a new block. Make a new block called flap the wings and use OK. And you put in flap the wings in there. Go to define flap the wings. Just put if then and use space key pressed. Then use change gravity to 10. Let's check if that works. Oh my gosh, that's too fast. Okay, what about 3? Wait, and I'm going to also use wait until not space key press. Okay, what about 10? Wait, I'm gonna use set though. Now we got working flappy bird. What about 15 then? Wait, it's not enough. 0. Wait, I'm gonna use wait until, not mouse down, duplicate, not mouse down. I was just AFKing for a while. So we have working Flappy Bird. So next one we need to make a pipe. So press paint and I'll name that pipe. And you can make any pipe positions. I'll use 5. I'm gonna use the outline. And I'll turn this into lime green. Okay. Okay. Copy, paste. Now just group it and put it at the center. Now we got a working Flappy Bird. Wait, let me check. Wait, that one is a little big. What about 200? Okay, I'm gonna ungroup and I'll fix this. Wait. Wait, Flappy Bird flap is too big. What about 10? Okay, so I would put these two on there. Put 200. And I would use when green flag clicked. Control add forever. I'm gonna use hide. Create clone of myself. Then wait 1.5 seconds. Just when I start as a clone, go to X and Y's, onto the Y's, put in pick random, put 116 to -116. And put in repeat until, and I'm gonna put less, I'm gonna put greater than, I'm gonna use -199. and put the Y position. And then I'm going to use and change X by -3. Press delete this clone. Let's check if this works. Wait, this one's still hiding. So I will use show. Wait, I forgot. I'll put less. Put -200. Now we got working pipes. Wait. -9. Wait. But I'm gonna fix it on the next episode. So I'll see you on the next episode. And bye.